What's up? I'm going to show you how to play Stuck on You. That's not the name of the song. Stuck with You on guitar. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. Let's get started. So for this song, you're going to want to put your capo on 1, G, 3-2, open, open, 3-3, B minor, 2-2, 4-4, 3-2, C, open 3-2, open 1, open, E minor, open 2-2, open, 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 and D, open, 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 2-3-2. Towards the end of the song, you're going to need a B major chord, 2-2, 4-4-4. If you can't quite bar it, you can just play a power chord, 2-4-4. You're also going to need C minor, so capo on 1, you'll need it 3-3, 5-5, 4-3. B major, C minor, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you didn't quite pick it up the first time, no worries, just replay the video, you'll get it.